Hello guys, my name is Sai Kalyan. Today my topic is implementation levels of virtualization. Virtualization is a computer architecture technology by which multiple virtual machines are multiplexed in the same hardware machine. The idea of VMS can be dated back to the 1960s. The purpose of a VM is to enhance resource sharing by many users and improved computer performance in terms of resources utilization and application flexibility. Hardware resources, CPU, memory, I/O devices, or software resources can be virtualized in various functional layers. Levels of virtualization implementation. A traditional computer runs with a host operating system specially tailored for this hardware architecture, as shown in below. After virtualization, different user applications managed by their own operating systems can run on the same hardware independent of the host OS. This is often done by adding additional software called a virtualization layer. The virtualization layer is known as hypervisor or virtual machine manager. The main function of the software layers for virtualization is virtualize the physical hardware of a host machine into virtualized resource to be used by the VMS. Instruction set to architecture level. As the same ISA level, virtualization is performed by the emulating a given ISA by the ISA of the host machine. The basic emulation method is through code interpretation. An interpreter program interprets the resources instruction to target instructions one by one. One resource whose instruction may require tens or hundreds of native target instructions to perform the function. Obviously, this process is relatively slow. For better performance, dynamic binary translation is required. Hardware abstraction level. This kind of virtualization is carried out in order to make the hardware to be available to multiple users. Hardware level virtualization is performed right on top of the bare hardware. Operating system level. This refers to an abstraction layer between the traditional OS and user application. OS level virtualization create isolated containers on a single physical server on the OS instances to utilize the hardware and software in data centers. Library support levels. Most applications use API exported by user level libraries rather than using lengthy system call by the OS. Since most systems provide well documented APIs such as interface becomes another candidate for virtualization with library interfaces is possibly by controlling the communication link between application and the rest of the system through API blocks. User application level. Virtualization at the application level virtualizes an application as a VM. On a traditional OS, an application often runs as a process. Therefore, application level virtualization is also known as process level virtualization. Thank you.